Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how we can save Matplotlib animation as MP4 file. So the idea actually came from a question someone was asking on my comment section. And the process is pretty straightforward and it's pretty simple, so I thought I might just make a video of it. So here on my website, I'm on the basic example how to create animation tutorial post. And below that is a Python script to create a very simple Matplotlib animation. So I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the script into my Python editor. And if I run the script, and that's going to create a very basic animation. So basically a straight line. And I want to save this animation as MP4 file. In case if I need to embed the animation in some other platforms, I can easily do that with an MP4 file. Let me close this window. So to save the animation as MP4 file, from matplotlib.animation module, I need to import one more class. And the class is called Writers. The Writers class allows you to save your animation in different format. I'll show you how to use the Writers class right now. So here, let me come out this line right here, plt.show. I don't want to show the graph. I want to save the animation or the graph. So first thing we need to do is we need to set up the writer object. The writer object is basically the settings that you specify when you save the animation. So setting up writers object. From the writers class, you want to specify the engine that you want to use. And the engine name is FMMPEG. And FMMPEG software is actually an open source software. And I'll link everything in the description below. And I'll save the output as writer. From the writer object, and here I need to actually I'll make this lowercase w, so this one will be uppercase and lowercase. So from the uppercase writer object, here we can set the frame per second rate. I'll set that to 15 frames per second. And for the metadata, we need to provide a dictionary. And the dictionary key and pair value is going to be others. And the value is going to be me. And the M is going to be uppercase. You can also set the bit rate. And for the bit rate, I'm going to set that to 1800. You can always play around with different settings to see what settings work for you. And once we finish setting up the writer object, we can now save our Matplotlib animation. So from the animation object, I'll grab this object right here. Want to type .save, and here we can provide the file name. So I'll name the file line graph animation.mp4. Then we need to provide the writer object, and that's it. Now here, let me go back to my test folder. So here, let me delete this MP4 file. Now if I run the script, and here I'm getting an error, cannot import writers object. Here, let me see. Okay, so this should be lowercase w. And let me go back to line 24. So this should be lower w as well. Now let me try again. So if I run the script, and if I go back to my test folder, and here's the MP4 file, line graph animation. Now if I open the file, so here we have this animation video showing the animation we just created using Python. Alright, so this is everything I want to share in this video, and hopefully you guys found the video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.